Okay, this is lesson 6, verbal mathematical expressions. So our goal is to translate verbal expressions into mathematical expressions. So just pause the video and fill this in. Okay, so hopefully you paused the video, wrote this down. Now I'm going to go through it really quick. If you have is, that means an equal sign. Okay, if you have a number, that means any variable, or use x. Squared means you're going to have the little squared symbol. Cube means cube symbol. For addition, we have add, sum, total, more than, plus, and increase. For subtraction, we have minus, subtract, less, less than. For less than, put a little star, okay? It means to flip, and I'll explain that as we go to examples. Decrease, difference, take away. For multiply, we have for multiplication, we have multiply, product, by, times, per, each, and for twice, that means times 2. Okay. Division, we have divide, quotient goes into split evenly, half, quarter, third, ratio, or anything about fractions. Okay. So, the sum of x and 5. So that means we're going to be adding x and 5 where the and is. So x plus 5. Decrease by is subtract. So y minus 10. Twice 9. So that means 2 times 9. If we had twice a number, so if we had something like that, twice a number, that would be 2x. Okay, here's that less than. So that means we're going to be flipping. Okay, so the 2 and the h flip. So this is actually h minus 2. Okay, so that's going to be subtraction, but just flip. If we had 2 less h, that is 2 minus h. Okay, the order doesn't change. Only with less than does it change. 3 times the sum of r and 8. So 3 is multiplying the sum of r and 8. Sum means add, and you put the add where the and is. So r plus 8 is our sum, and the whole thing is being multiplied by 3. If we had the sum of 3 times r and 8, that means the add goes here and the 3 and the r multiply. So this would be written as 3r plus 8. Okay, so look at the wording. It's a little bit tricky, but it is important. Okay, half of g, that just means g divided by 2. So when writing application expressions, you can still look for the same keywords. So think about what your variables stand for and how/what changes with them. Number 7, in your car's cup holder, you have a collection of coins. So write an expression that shows the value in dollars of what your change is worth. So remember, what are our coins? We know Q is for quarters, D is for dime, N is for nickel, and P is for penny. So then our expression is going to be 0.25 Q plus 0.10 D plus 0.05 N 0.01 P. Now we have an expression Remember, expression means no equal sign, okay? We don't want any equals. So there is our expression. Now, if we had something that said Q equals 12, D equals 2, N equals 0, P equals 7, you could plug it in to find the amount of money in your car. But we don't have to do that, okay? For our Grand Forks Central activities, adult tickets A cost $6. Student tickets T cost $4. So those are our variables, okay? So we know that 6A represents our adults, and 4T represents students. But we can't leave it like that. We have to think about how can we show the amount of money the school makes at the game. Well, we have to add those two together because we have to add the adults plus the student tickets. Okay, so there's our expression. Now, you sell 90 adult tickets and 37 student tickets for a volleyball game. You want to find out how much money the school makes in ticket sales. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug in. So we have 6 times 90 plus 4 times 37, because this is our A and this is our T. Now we can solve. So 6 times 90 is 540. 4 times 37 is 148. Together is $688. Okay, and that is the end of our lesson.